Hey Team Numis Canada, that's what I call subscribers and members. Hello coin collectors young and old and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce, and this week we have a coin shop pickup and mail call. We'll get into that right after this. Welcome back. So we'll start off with the mail call and we'll get to this in a little bit, because you know with her on it, it could be almost anything. So yes, I'm saying her like she's not somebody special, but she is. So I'll go into the box first. Okay, it is a coin, and this is empty box, obligatory paperwork, and it is a coin. And we have I'm going to look in here. They didn't give me the capsule. I paid for a capsule and didn't get one unless it's in here. Let's look before we speak. So, oh, I think the capsule's in this zip. Yes, there's a capsule. I spoke too soon. So here's the coin. Get it out of the bubble wrap. And this is from the UK. King Charles III, DG Rex, DG £2. And what we have here is a 1 ounce fine silver, 3/9 fine 2023 of Merlin. And that'll go with my Warriors series of coins, but he's not a warrior, but he's somebody who is interesting from the mythical past. And I will put this in the capsule. And I'll give you a photograph of this. There we go. There he is in his capsule where I can't get my grubby fingers all over it. Looks like there's a little bit of haze already on the coin right in this area. I don't know if you can see it on there. Yeah, you can see it when I turn it that way. I wonder if that's toning already or going to tone. It's a bit of a haze. That side looks pretty clean. So that's the first package. Let's get into the next one. And I'll get, that's an interesting, a red Ziploc. Who knew? So we'll set all that aside. And we'll get into this long package, which I have here, and I have to be careful not to reveal address. So I'm looking to see what's the best way to get into this. We have something wrapped in obligatory paperwork, and I'm looking to see what's in there. This is empty, so trust me on that. Toss that. And oh, yes, this is obligatory paperwork that they packed around the purchase. And here we have our next in the series for the Warriors. And this is Achilles. You know how to take him down. Remember his heel? That's Achilles. And this is the Legendary Warriors 1 ounce 3/9 fine silver. So a little bit of silver stacking here today. So this is 1 ounce silver and this is 1 ounce silver. Oh, that's the one I was going to show you from the coin shop. Duh. So let me get into this. And this is from Canada. And what we have here is the Magnificent Maple $10 coin from 2015. Now these are made in all different sizes. I wanted the 5 ounce one, but I'll settle for this one. And here is this proof, so I'll put all these down here. And so this one is not quite an ounce, it's 15.87 grams. And it's a $10 coin, 4/9 silver, 34 meters, and a metal weight of 15.87 grams. So, and this one is from 25,000 minted, number 6,203, and I'll let you read that if you want. English is on this side and the French is on the other side. If si tu lis le français. Et voilà. So that's my mail call for today. Pretty short actually, given, but you know what? It's all straightforward. We have silver, and we have more silver. How cool is that? I'm just bummed that's got a bit of a milky spot on it. Oh well, c'est la vie. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.